Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. The field of sequence modeling has been intensely focused on beating the memory cliff of recurrent architectures, a problem where models suddenly forget information over long distances. Well, a paper that started trending on X about 5 days ago, published on May 7, 2026, claims to have a solution. The paper is titled Echo, K versus Cache-Free Associative Recall with Spectral Koopman Operators. The authors introduce a method that hits 100% retrieval accuracy on complex benchmarks, while keeping its memory footprint to a constant 77 kilobytes for a 50 million parameter model. And as we will see, the way they filter out transient noise to achieve this is incredibly clever. Table 1 breaks down how that efficiency plays out in computational complexity per layer. For standard causal attention, the inference cost per step scales linearly with sequence length, which creates a major memory bottleneck. Spectral Koopman attention bypasses this completely. Its inference cost depends only on a small, fixed projection rank rather than the sequence length, keeping the computational overhead constant no matter how far back the model needs to recall information. During training, this operation also remains highly efficient because the projection rank is much smaller than the total sequence. Table 2 illustrates how the model handles length generalization on a needle in a haystack task, where it must find a specific fact hidden within a large block of text. All models are trained on short, 64-token sequences, but evaluated on much longer contexts. At the maximum evaluation length of 4096 tokens, both the pure state space model and the attention hybrid completely collapse, dropping to 5% accuracy or worse. Meanwhile, the model using spectral Koopman attention retains about 65% accuracy, successfully generalizing to context 64 times longer than its training. Figure 1 visualizes zero-shot retrieval accuracy, separating single hop tasks on the top from two hop tasks on the bottom. As sequence lengths increase, the blue dashed line representing the pure state space model degrades sharply, especially when more key value pairs are involved. The green solid line, however, demonstrates that the model using spectral Koopman attention maintains the highest accuracy and flattest profile across all settings. Because it holds steady, this confirms it effectively eliminates the memory cliff. Those steady results translate directly into superior overall performance. Table 3 summarizes the mean zero-shot accuracy across 6 synthetic retrieval tasks. The pure state space model struggles, averaging about 54%, while the attention hybrid improves to 76%. However, the model equipped with spectral Koopman attention tops the chart, scoring an average of 81%. Notably, it reaches this highest accuracy across every single task, which is impressive because it actually has the fewest parameters. Table 4 shifts the focus from synthetic retrieval to general language understanding, comparing a 180 million parameter Echo model against similarly sized baselines. Notice that the Echo 180 million model is trained on just 10 billion tokens, while the other models in its class are trained on 100 billion. Despite this massive difference in training data, Echo achieves the highest scores on 5 out of 6 zero-shot benchmarks. For instance, on the Lambda dataset, which tests long-range prediction, it scores almost 40%, easily outperforming the others. This confirms that eliminating the memory cliff doesn't compromise general language capabilities. Figure 3 explores training dynamics on a system prompt retrieval task, splitting results into easy and hard tiers. On the easy tier, models equipped with spectral Koopman attention surge to 100% accuracy within 500 steps. The hard tier, on the right, requires slightly more training for longer sequences, but still reaches perfect accuracy by 1,000 steps. Meanwhile, the pure Mamba 3 model flatlines near chance accuracy in both scenarios, confirming the structural advantage of this new approach. To see if this architectural advantage relies on specific filters, Figure 2 presents an ablation study that removes the action mask entirely. This mask normally helps the model ignore irrelevant text by restricting updates to fact-bearing tokens. With it disabled, the loss curve on the left and the accuracy curve on the right show that models using spectral Koopman attention still learn effectively. Even while processing all the distractor noise, the best configuration ultimately reaches 100% accuracy, proving the spectral filtering mechanism is robust enough to isolate relevant content on its own. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. First, the memory cliff in state space models is a structural issue, not a capacity limit. Second, Echo proves we can match transformer recall using a constant memory footprint, perfect for complex reasoning. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Thanks for listening.